Hello, Professor Sargent here with you again. Now it's time to put to use what we've been learning about solving 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 systems of linear equations by solving some application problems. So here we go. In this first one, we're told about two different families going to a McDonald's in Hawaii, and the first family pays a total of $14.75 for 3 Big Macs and 2 small fries, whereas the other family is paying a total of $24.12 for 5 Big Macs and 3 small fries. We want to know what the price of the Big Macs and the small fries are. It doesn't matter what we name these variables. With different amounts of Big Macs and small fries, we want to know what the price of the Big Macs and the small fries, one of each of them, what the price is. So I'm going to call B the price of 1 Big Mac, and F will be the price of 1 package of small fries. The price of one of those. Well, the first family we have to make use of, for both families, we have to make use of the fact that price per item times number of items is going to equal the price. So for the first family, we have 3B being how much they're paying before tax for the 3 Big Macs, and 2F, the price they're paying before taxes on the small fries, for a total of, what was it, $14.75. Adding those together, because they're buying both. And then for the second family, similarly, 5B plus 3F equals $24.12. Looking at those numbers, I don't think that substitution is a good way to go here. Instead, I'm going to use elimination. Take a look at the coefficients of B, and the least common multiple of those is 15, whereas the least common multiple of the coefficients of F is 6. I'd like to deal with smaller numbers. So I'm going to get one of those to be a 6F and one of them to be a negative 6F. The first one I'll multiply by 3, all terms on both sides. And let's see, 15, 45, I believe 1475 times 3 is going to be 4425. I'm going to check that. 1475 times 3, 44.25. So I multiplied the first by 3. The second, I'm going to multiply by negative 2 to get a negative 6F. It'll give me negative 10B. minus 6F, and then a negative 2 times 2412 should give me negative 48.24. So adding along the columns there, we're going to get the F terms to cancel out. We'll be left with negative 1B, and 44.25 is, when we subtract 48.24 from that, it's the same as adding a negative 48.24. We get negative 399. So divide both sides by negative 1. Find that $3.99 is the price of one Big Mac. Going back to the original equation 1 that had the smaller numbers, I'm going to multiply 3.399 plus 2F equals 14.75. It's going to be, let's see, 1197. Yep. Equal plus 2F is 14.75. So I subtract the 1197 from the 14.75 to get 278. 2.78. Divide both sides by 2, and we get $1.39 is the price of one pack of small fries. Since I got that from the first equation, it would be worth checking to look at 5 times 3.99 plus 3 times $1.39 and see if we get the 2412. Let's see, that should be $13.95. 5 times 3.99. Sorry, $19.95 plus 390. I think that's going to be $417. 3 times 1.39. 417. Adding those up, we get the 24.12 that we wanted.